In this video I will show you how to create black hole text effect. Create fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to fusion. Add text node, choose font and size. Move the text to the top left corner. Add duplicate node, set the number of copies to 20. And use the center parameter to stretch them across the entire screen. Add another duplicate node. Set the number of copies to 4 and stretch them horizontally. Add transform node and mirror the text horizontally. Add shape 3D node and set shape parameter to cylinder. Set base subdivision and height subdivision to the maximum values. Adjust radius parameter. Go to the transform tab and adjust the position of the cylinder. Add render 3D node and connect all to meet the out. In the transform tab of shape 3D node, set the initial position and add keyframe. Move to end of the clip and reposition the cylinder. Add merge 3D node and connect spotlight. In the render 3D node, enable lightning and shadows. In the shape 3D node, enable two-sided in the material tab. In the transform tab of the spotlight node, move the light source to the beginning of the cylinder. In the control tab, select quadratic and adjust light parameters and color. For more dynamic, you can add tunnel rotation in the transform tab of the shape 3D node. Add bender 3D node to deform the cylinder and create multiple tunnel variation. To learn even more about capabilities of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to channel.